Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I'm going to revisit this little Brady lock for Lotto Tuesdays. Here's the box here. This is a little Brady lockout tagout lock. It's a 3/4 inch 20 millimeter shackle. There's the other side. I don't know what. Anyway, it does have an ABIS core. This is a 41/40 made in Germany, 1.5 inch, and there's the keyway, and here is the key. So we'll revisit this little Brady. And it does work still. So I have opened this on my channel in the past, but this is kind of just doing a revisit. I practiced with it maybe a couple times since then. So let's see if I can make it work this time again. Maybe we could zoom in a little bit more. That's a lot more. Well, let's see. So let's see if we can make this work. And if I remember right, I just use this little guy, bottom of the keyway. It's a 1 millimeter wrench, and I used just this multi-pick. This is the V60. Maybe I think I used a different one, but let's try this out. So I'll go back to pin 5, get a click there, pin 4, 3, 2, get a click there, 1, nothing there. Let's try 2 again. Yeah, I think I used a different pick last time. Feels like I'm getting a little bit counter. There's a click. And 3, I think. Nothing. And 4. Nice click there. Go back to pin 5. It worked under there. And pick that. Fill in a little bit of counter, I think. There we go. You have to be careful because got the little rivets on the bottom, so I want to make sure that I get over the top of them. Trying to pull this pick back out. I'll release a little bit of tension. Okay, there. It's kind of stuck underneath the pin. Okay, there's a good click there. That was 4, I believe. 3. 2. Get a lot of click. There we go. Pin 1. And we got it open. So if I remember right, it didn't take me that long last time. I just kind of popped it open real quick, but that's okay. I've been out of practice with it, so I guess we can forgive that. Anyway, so there we go. That is the Brady lockout tagout lock with ABIS 4140 picked open. So anyway, I just wanted to do this, kind of put in my little contribution to the lockout tagout Tuesdays And now, of course, it's getting unfocused. So anyway, we'll just do this. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, and make sure you leave comments down below, and make sure you're subscribed. And thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.